Hey there, ready to ignite your career in product designing? Look no further than SkySkill Academy's cutting-edge post-graduation program in product designing and analysis. In just 10 months, you will propel your career with a prestigious certificate from E&ICT, IIT Guwahati and ASTC. But hold on, there's an extra gear. You will also receive a course completion certificate and internship certificate from SkySkill Academy, which is equivalent to an experience letter. Our program dives deep into essentials like SolidWorks, CATIA, NXCAM, product manufacturing in CNC, MATLAB Simulink, and much more. All delivered by seasoned industry experts with personalized mentorship. But here's the game changer. We guarantee 100% placement, providing immersive experience through live projects and equipping you with over 30 industry-relevant skills to elevate your profile and ensure your bright future in product design. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Enroll now for our upcoming batch and kickstart your career into the top gear. For further details, visit www.skyskill.com or simply tap the link in the description. See you on the other side.